ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, Bulavanaka, a very good morning to all of you. Today is actually a very special day, not only for the Ministry and the High Commission of India, but actually for every farmer and vendor selling from temporary roadside stalls along the King's and the Queen's Highway. Ladies and gentlemen, India has actually been a very long-standing bilateral partner and friend. And hence I want to take this opportunity to sincerely thank the government of India for supporting the Fijian government's initiative of building standardized roadside stalls for vendors and farmers along our national highways. The agreement to partner and sponsor the construction of two standardized roadside stalls comes at a time when we are supporting the Fijian communities and connected to agriculture and basically to build back better. Whilst the ministry has advertised for public and private partnership opportunity with organizations and individuals to sponsor roadside stalls, the ministry is also currently working on identifying suitable locations to construct two roadside stalls. So we want to also sincerely thank the government of India for their phenomenal support and partnership. As you would know, there has been continuous support from the government of India, even initially going back a couple of years with respect to our small to medium enterprises and the grants that were being given. Ladies and gentlemen, we aim to have these stalls constructed by this year and officially handed over to potential vendors and farmers in the identified locations. To date, just to give you some numbers, to date the ministry has constructed and officially handed over 91 standardized roadside stalls to vendors along the highways in Viti Levu and also in Vanua Levu. And as you all know, in a span of just months, Fiji was faced with 3 tropical cyclones, and this means that projects such as this are extremely crucial to ensure that Fijians are given not only safe and hygienic but cyclone-proof spaces to actually sell from. So I want to take this opportunity also to request the private sector organizations to come forward and help support the Fijian government's initiative of constructing roadside stalls in a presentable and more hygienic manner around Fiji. So with those few words, once again on behalf of the Fijian government, Excellency, and the people of Fiji, I wish to thank the government of India and the people of India for their continuous support and friendship. And our friendship has been there for many years and for many years to come. Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Present you oneself.
Thank you.
As in our culture, this is the.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
We have something too for you, for your office.
Thank you. Thank you.